is right here in front of you. Fly Benzo. We're gonna win this. This brother is vital to our community. He's not gonna fly like that.
Fly Benzo, he is not guilty of the charges. Make some noise if y'all believe Fly Benzo is not guilty. Is Fly Benzo guilty?
Guilty! He's not guilty! He's not guilty!
Welcome everybody to the Free Fly Benzo press conference. We're going to ask Severa Keith, Fly Benzo's lawyer, to be the first speaker today.
Thanks for your support. I just wanted to reiterate that Fly Benzo is not guilty. And in fact, he was convicted of a jury not of his peers, and a jury that didn't hear the whole story, and a jury that didn't have the opportunity to hear about what the truly guilty people did. And that's the San Francisco police who come out here and abuse their authority, terrorize the community, and don't do their jobs. His sentencing is on for Friday. He was only convicted of misdemeanors. However, that is not justice. It is simply not justice what happened in the courts for him. It's through the support of people like yourself and speaking up and coming out to these sorts of events and actually holding the police department accountable for their actions and make them accountable for their jobs. I just hope that all of you continue to do your good work and to come out in support of him and for other people who are facing incarceration and all sorts of punishment by our system for things that are unjust. It's no good for our future. It's no good for our community. So thank you very much, everyone. I appreciate your support, and keep the love coming.
Okay, our second speaker today is going to be Archbishop King. He's a foreclosure fighter here in the neighborhood.
I come out today to speak and to be heard on behalf of a young man who, for us, is an example of what we want to see young men in this community doing. And I don't understand how we can find an innocent young black man who's got a 4.0 average at City College and has been a spokesman and an example for other young folks in this community, and we can find him guilty, but we can't find any justice for a murder that was committed here. We come out to voice our truth that this is all a part about gang injunctions, illegal foreclosures, the out-migration of African Americans from this community. And we as a community are standing to say that we are not going to accept this. We say to the jury and the judges and those in that kangaroo court that found this man guilty of a crime that was never committed, that they need to turn him loose and give him real justice so that this community can know for a fact that people coming together and standing up for truth, that we can claim all victories in the final analysis. Again, Fly Benzo Carpenter is a part of the fiber of this community for generations. He didn't just come up out the dirt. His family helped make this community, and he's been targeted for a reason, and that reason is to tear down the best of what we are in this community. So, more power to the people. You know, it's a shame when an activist such as Fly Benzo can't have the right for free speech. And all he wanted to do was fight for justice, and that was for my nephew Kenneth Harden. All he wanted to do is get witnesses for what was right, and he went to jail. And this was an injustice cause, because when they put Fly Benzo down on the ground, they said he assaulted a senior officer. How can you assault anybody when you're getting pepper sprayed and you're laid on the ground with their knee on your neck? He was insulted. He was a result of being assaulted. More power to the people. Free Fly Benzo.
Benzo's going to be our last speaker.
I don't want to bore y'all with no political speeches. I'm going to just let y'all hear a little something. Live your life like a king. Don't be the enemy's pawn. My folks in Africa need food. Instead, they sending them bombs. Don't be blind to what's going on in front of your face. And put your fist up in the air and middle finger to the jakes, because sleeping on the moment will be your biggest mistake. That's why you still gonna see me riding to my sentencing date. Fuck the government. Revolutionary, and I'm loving it. And they hate this shit. Can't take this shit. You ain't gotta like me, better miss me with that racist shit. Black Holocaust, but we ain't getting no reparations and shit. You better wake up, realize the game we playing and shit. This is chess, not checkers, and they going for the mate. How come we never at the table when they talking about our fate? Come nobody speak up for my folks from the mob, forced to get out there and hustle because they won't give him a job in his own backyard. Now it's time to Bogart. I'm from Hunters Point, where all my peoples know it's go hard. We'll show you who's boss, pull your fucking whole card. They've been planning this divide and conquer Willie Lynch thing for a long time, man, and it's time we come together, man, and overthrow the oppressor. Charge the real criminals. They killed Martin Luther King. What Martin Luther King do? They locked up Rosa Parks. What Rosa Parks do? You know what I'm saying? It's time for us to take a stand, man, and tell them we ain't taking no more.
If you can turn out 9 a.m. this Friday, 850 Bryant Street, Department 27. They're going to rule on Benzo's sentencing. We want to demand that he gets no jail time, that he stays free and stays with us in the community. Thank you, everybody.
Amen.